the man who learned how to make fire from a chicken. The Polynesian god Maui was tired of living on a diet that consisted of raw fish and vegetables. One day, while sailing with his brothers, he noticed a plume of smoke coming from a mountain. He quickly rushed to the mountain, but when he finally arrived, the fire had been put out by an old hen. So Maui decided to hide, until the hen started another fire. But the hen was smart and noticed Maui hiding. Being outmatched, Maui eventually had to carve a life-size model of himself out of a tree log and placed it on a boat with his brothers. When the brothers sailed away, the hen thought Maui had left too, so it started to prepare for a fire. Maui bursted forth from his hiding spot and grabbed the hen by its neck and forced it to share the secret of fire. The old hen tried to trick Maui by giving him false instructions. When it didn't work, Maui was enraged and choked the chicken even harder. The old hen was scared and finally told him the truth about creating fire. As punishment for its deceit, Maui branded the hen and all its descendants with a red mark. So